Hello sweet ones, in today's video we are making mango juice. I'm going to show you how to make a simple homemade mango juice which is very refreshing. This recipe is very delicious and is very tasty. I'm going to show you how to make mango juice at home by Olayemi cooking. Welcome sweet ones, my name is Olayemi and welcome to my channel. So we'll be using fresh mangoes to make this mango juice. I'm going to show you how to cut and dice a mango. So I'm going to show you how to cut and dice a mango. Easy, so you not waste all your mango juice when you're trying to make a mango juice. For returning viewers, returning subscribers, new subscribers, new viewers, thanks so much for your support. Let me know where you are watching this video for, so I can give you a hug, a lovely hug, for supporting my channel. Keep on watching more of my video. There are so many recipes that are yet to come. So this is how I normally cut my mango to prepare my mango juice. There are different types of mango juice that I normally prepare, but I'm going to show you one method today. If you want to know more on how to make your own mango juice at home with different type of juice, with different type of fruit, to give you a unique taste without sugar, let me know in the comment section. So this is the normal way I normally cut. I'll cut, then I'll dice, then I'll use the knife to remove that, just the way I'm showing in the video. So this is the normal way I normally do it. So not going to mess my hand with the mango, and also I'm not going to waste my mango juice. So I like using this method to remove my mango. It makes it easy. And even though I want to make a mango salad recipe, I do it this way, and it's easy for the kids to eat, and anyone is going to love this mango juice. It's very healthy and it's very refreshing. The summer is around the corner, the spring is about to live here in the US. The summer is coming, so if you need a refreshing drink for summer, mango juice is one of it, and it's very refreshing. I'm going to show you every step of how to make mango juice at home. Very easy and very simple to make. So we are going to be needing other ingredients with this after dicing our mango. So you can add sugar to give it more sweet, like a sweetener, or you can use honey, but I'm going to be using honey. So let's go ahead and make our mango juice in a blender. I'm going to show you how to make mango juice with a blender. So I'm going to transfer my diced mango into a blender. I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. Then I'm going to go ahead and add ice cube. You can skip it, but it makes it very chewy and very refreshing. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water just to make it blend smoothly. It's also going to be very thick, so I'm going to blend this mango to get a perfect mango juice until everything is perfectly blend and wet smooth. If you're not yet like this video, please like the video. And if you are new to my channel, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated. Please remember to share this recipe with your loved ones so they will enjoy a delicious mango juice recipe. So the next step for us on this our mango juice is for us to save it. I normally do this, it depends on your blender. It's very smooth, but sometimes you still have that little particles of the thread of the mango. You still find it there. So for you to get rid of everything, to get a clean, unique mango juice, simple mango juice, you just need to save it a little, save everything. You can, as you can see in the save, is not too much, and everything is coming out perfect the way the mango juice should look. So this is the outcome after. Let's serve our mango juice. I'm going to add 2 ice cubes to a glass cup just to make it look very cold and refreshing. You can see it come out really thick, and you are going to enjoy this mango juice for summer. Anytime you want to take a refreshing mango juice, you are going to enjoy it. So this is the outcome of how to make mango juice at home by Olayemi Cooking. Thanks so much for watching this my mango juice recipe. If you want to see more of mango juice recipe with other fruits and vegetables, let me know in the comment section. After trying this, let me know what you think about it, and it come out really good. Hope to see you all in my next video. Please be safe out there, and bye bye. Please watch more of my video, and bye bye.